Hello friends, the topic of today's video is DBMS schema for decision support. So what is data warehouse? Data warehouse itself is a DBMS which contains various tables and there is relationship between the table. Now what is schema? Schema means logical representation of the database, how the tables are logically organized that is represented by schema. So in this video we will see what are the various schema through which we can represent the tables in the data warehouse. So before that we will discuss some of the definitions, and then I will tell you the name of those schema, and next video I will start with various types of schema. So what is schema? Schema is nothing but logical representation of the database. It represents how the tables are logically organized. Then what is fact? Fact is nothing but universal truth. So what is universal truth? The sky is blue, man is mortal. So these are universal truth. In the same way, in business there are some facts. So let us take example: revenue generated in quarter one, or uh, what is the profit in quarter two. So these are all numerical figures as well as these are the facts. So what is fact? Fact represent the measures. So you cannot deny it, and it is also universal truth. Then next is what is dimension. Now dimension, this is the another name for the table. So if you take the college, so there are various dimension. First dimension is student, then there is admin department. So these represent the dimension. Then there is there can be employee. This is one of the dimension. Now for student there are various attributes for student dimension. That is student ID, name, roll number. These are nothing but attributes of that dimension. In the same way, if you talk about employee, then employee ID, uh, employee name, employee salary, then date of joining. These are the various attributes associated with employee dimension. So what is dimension? It is the alternate name to the table. So in schema we will use fact, we will use dimension, and then measure. So what is measure? Measure means it represent the numerical figures, means what is the revenue generated in particular quarter, or what is the total number of sale of particular automobile company in particular quarter or in particular year. So that is represented by measure. So we will use these terms in the schema. Now in data warehouse there are three types of schema. First is star schema. First is star schema. Second one is fact constellation schema, and third one is snowflake schema. So in from next video I will discuss these three types of schema. So I will start with star schema, and then fact constellation schema and snowflake schema. So in all the schema we will use this term fact, dimensions and measures. So that's it for this video. This is the introductory video for DBMS support, for decision support. Because why the name decision support? The reason is because through analysis of the table we can do the analysis, and then we can take certain decision. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.